Hello students, welcome back to online classes. This is lecture number 1 of a new chapter, that is detectors. Okay, in this lecture we study what is meant by detector and what is meant by scintillator and its classification. Okay, detectors. I start my discussion with the introduction part, that is detectors. Detectors means these are the instruments used to determine the nuclear radiations such as alpha radiation, beta radiation, gamma radiation, X-rays and protons. These are all the particles are determined by using detectors. Okay, such instruments are called as detectors. Okay, I read this statement first. Detectors, these are the instruments used to determine the nuclear radiations such as alpha radiation, beta radiation, gamma radiation. This is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, and X-rays, proton beams, etc. are called nuclear radiation detectors or simply detectors. Detectors are the instruments used to measure or used to determine the alpha particle, beta particle, gamma particle or X-rays and proton beams or etc. is called detectors. Okay, now I take a first point in your syllabus. For example, detectors, before going to first point, example for detectors, one is scintillation counter, examples for detectors: scintillation counter and Geiger-Müller counter, that is GM counter. G means Geiger, M means Müller. These are the name of the scientist. It is called as Geiger-Müller counter, etc. Okay, these are the two examples for detectors. Okay, now I take a first point in your syllabus, that is classification of scintillator. Classification of scintillator. Before going to classification of scintillator, first I define what is scintillation or scintillator. I take the term scintillation or scintillator. Scintillator. Okay, scintillator means it is a material when it interacts with high energy radiation, it produces the flash of light. Such materials are called as scintillator material. Okay, I read this statement. These are the these are the materials these scintillators are the materials when yavaga they when they interact with high energy radiation. High energy radiation means, for example, gamma radiation, alpha radiation, beta radiation, X-ray, all are the high energy radiation. Scintillator means these are the materials when they interact with high energy radiation, they produce flash of light. Flash of light means there is a spark of light. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಥರದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳದಾವ, ಅವುಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೊಲಿಷನ್ ಆದವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ it absorb the energy. It absorbs the energy and re-emit in the form of flash of light. Flash of light is called scintillator. Is called scintillator. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ಗಳ ವೆನ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ this, that is light radiation means gamma particle or electromagnetic radiation or X radiation or alpha radiation interact with such type of material. These material absorbs the energy from that radiation. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಆ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಬ್ಸಾರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಇಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಂಥ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, now a first point in your syllabus, that is classification. Mainly scintillator materials are classified into 4 types. One is organic scintillator, and second one is inorganic scintillator, first one is organic scintillator and second one is inorganic scintillator, third one is plastic scintillator, and last one is gaseous scintillator. Okay, mainly scintillator materials are classified into 4 types. One is organic scintillator, inorganic scintillator, plastic scintillator, and gaseous scintillator. Okay, First one, I take the organic scintillator. These are the materials which absorbs the light radiation and re-emit. Okay, these are the organic crystals or materials, which absorb the radiation and produce flash of light. Is called organic scintillator. Organic scintillator ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are the organic materials, similar to scintillator ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ರಿ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ scintillators are anthracene. One is anthracene, and this is the crystal, colorless crystal, which absorbs the light radiation or any type of radiation, high energy radiation, and produce the flash of light. And another one is Stilbene crystal. These are the two organic crystals which produce the flash of light when they absorbs the high energy radiations, are called organic scintillators. Okay, now next one is inorganic scintillator. Similar to this inorganic scintillator, these are same. These are the material which absorbs the energy and re-emits in the form of light or flash of light. Example for inorganic scintillation material, one is gallium oxysulfide. It is also called as GOS in short form. That is, inorganic scintillation material is gallium oxysulfide. In short term it is called as GOS. Okay, or GOS, gallium oxysulfide or GOS. Next inorganic scintillation material is cesium iodide. And third one is sodium iodide. The third one is sodium iodide. That is sodium iodide. Commonly this cesium iodide and sodium iodide scintillation crystals are used in scintillation counter. That is, in scintillation counter, sodium iodide and cesium iodide materials are used to prepare the scintillation counter. Okay, next third type of scintillation material is plastic scintillator. Okay, third one is plastic scintillator. In this, what happened? In this, plastic material is mixed with the organic crystal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್. ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ಗತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು this mainly plastic scintillators are mainly used for the determination of alpha and beta particles, and it is not suitable for the determination of gamma particle. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಮತ್ತು ಬೀಟಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ದಿ ಗಾಮಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಾಮಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ gaseous scintillator. Okay, in this gas absorb the high energy and produce the flash of light. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಯಾವುದ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಸಿಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ xenon gas and helium gas materials are used as scintillating materials. Means these gas materials is also acts as a scintillation. Okay, they absorb the radiation and reproduce in the form of flash of light. This is about the classification of scintillator. Thank you.